description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one that came by way of Noodle Journey. Look up Noodle Journey on YouTube and check out his reviews. This is Nongshim with their Toomba. Toomba, spicy and creamy. So, I guess it's inspired by Outback Steakhouse. Isn't that interesting? Why not Applebee's? Let's have an insurrection at the Applebee's. Sorry, you'd have to totally understand what the heck I'm talking about for that to make sense. There's a guy named Robbie Roadsteamer who runs around with a megaphone and taunts people who are fans of Donald Trump. One of these days that guy's gonna get punched, but anyway, not by me. But it's the 29th of January 2025, and today is Lunar New Year. Happy Lunar New Year. It's funny, all three of my reviews today, I do 3 a day when I do 3 minutes. 3 minutes. So yeah, I'm curious about this. So Outback Steakhouse has a dish called Toomba. Toomba is a place in Australia. I asked my buddy in Australia, so what's this Toomba deal? It's like he sends me pictures. It's a place. I'm like, oh. I was under the impression it was a food, but you know, whatever. And they have Outback Steakhouse in Australia. Which really, I don't know why that does surprise me when I come to think about it. The first thing that I saw when we traveled to Malaysia and we got off the airplane, we deplaned and we're walking around the Penang airport. There was a Dunkin' Donuts right there. I'm like, what? No. There's differences, though. There's a lot of differences. Like, you buy a can of Coke over there, you can get Coke or Coke Light. Yeah. You can also get Milo. Milo is great. Nestle Milo. Man, I was addicted to that stuff. Nice pairing with a little curry. Okay, so now we drain the noodle. There's this way of doing it, and then there's the other way of doing it. This is like taking a pan, putting a little bit of water with it, and cooking it until it soaks up the water. Kind of more of a stir-frying thing, but not really feeling that today. What the heck is on my straining device? There, now it's gone. Alright, so we'll just drain it. But yeah, on the instructions there's method 1 and method 2. I figured I would go with method 2, which is what I've done. So here is our noodle. It's kind of weird that this is part of the... They're calling this part of the Shin range of products. I don't know. We'll see. This aspect here, it almost looks like on the package that there's like a powdery topping, but I'm looking at the instructions and it's saying to stir it in, so that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, that's the creaminess aspect. I think on top would look a little weird. But if you look at the package, it kind of looks like it's on top, but it says to stir it in, so I will. Here is the sauce, the salsa. Which I think is kind of funny as well. Ooh, that's neat looking. It's like the Dairy Queen commercial with the mountains and the waterfalls of chocolate. All right. Wow. Combine, dang it. Combine. Whoa, that is really difficult. It's being difficult. Wow, and it's like super dry now too. Clumpy. Let's see, was I supposed to reserve a little water? No. Drain. Stir in sauce and powder and eat with your face. Well, that's what I'm going to try. Toomba. Yes. Toomba. Xylophone. Wankel rotary engine. Toomba. Okay. It's odd. There's a heat and there's a creaminess. I'll try one more bite. I don't know if I like it. I think I do. I don't know. That's difficult. It's got a decent flavor to it. The spicy element, though, is kind of like... I don't know how thrilled about the spicy element I am. I've found that lately, like, things that are spicy that just don't seem to me like they belong with spiciness. Like, the heat detracts in certain things. Like the, oh, what kind was it? It's got some heat. The salted egg stuff from Singapore I did recently. Yeah, I kind of... I didn't feel like the heat really was complimentary, because the most complimentary thing, one of the most complimentary things I've ever had is the straight original salted egg. I'm like, oh, give me more of that flavor. Wow. And that's as far as I'm going on this one. Look at that. All right, Rotato, do your stuff. Toomba. All right, well, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. There'll be more coming soon. Like tomorrow, you'll see more. And yeah. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, or else. Have a good one. Bye-bye.